Rytr AI Tool Review. Watch before using. In this video, we'll be reviewing Rytr, an AI-powered writing tool designed to help create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or business owner, Rytr offers features tailored to streamline the writing process. But is it really worth your time? Let's find out. Rytr stands out for its user-friendly interface and versatility. It supports multiple languages and offers over 20 writing templates, such as blog posts, product descriptions, social media captions, and emails. This makes it easy to generate content for a variety of use cases in just a few clicks. The tool uses GPT-3 to generate text, ensuring that the content feels natural and coherent. However, while it performs well in most scenarios, it's not perfect and occasionally produces content that might require a bit of tweaking for tone or clarity. Rytr also offers customizable outputs, allowing you to select the tone, style, and even the length of the content, which adds a layer of flexibility for different types of writing projects. Additionally, Rytr has a built-in plagiarism checker, helping ensure that your content is original, which is a crucial feature for digital marketers or anyone producing large volumes of text. The tool also integrates with other platforms like Google Docs, allowing for seamless workflow integration. One of Rytr's key selling points is its affordability. With various pricing plans, including a free tier that gives you limited access, Rytr makes AI-powered writing accessible to a wide audience. The paid plans offer more credits, which means you can generate more content each month. For most users, the free plan provides sufficient access to get a feel for the tool before deciding whether to upgrade. However, it's important to note that while Rytr can help with content generation, it isn't a replacement for human creativity. Some content, especially more niche or complex topics, might still need a professional touch to refine and add expertise. Additionally, Rytr's output quality can fluctuate depending on the prompt given, so there's still a need for human oversight. In conclusion, Rytr is a great tool for anyone looking to speed up their content creation process without sacrificing quality. It's especially useful for bloggers, marketers, and businesses that need consistent, fast content but don't have the time or resources for manual writing. Just remember to always review the content and make adjustments where needed.